Do you want to learn Turkish, but you are overwhelmed with all the lessons on YouTube? Are you just getting information from here and there, but want to start on a specific curriculum that teaches you Turkish from the beginning with all the rules and the grammar organized in order, starting from the Turkish alphabet to explaining the suffixes and how to use them properly with lots of examples? Then check out what the participants of my A1 course had to say.
I just wanted to say, mashallah Jihan, you've been really punctual with time. You've been really organized. Jazakallah khairan. So this is the last lesson, but yeah, I just want to show how, show my gratitude and just say thank you. It's been a really good experience with you, alhamdulillah, and I've learned a lot. So yeah, barakallah feekum.
Before I started with you, I really didn't know anything really much, but I've learned a lot, and I think it's just really going to be lots of practice. There is lots of work to be put in, but you've certainly given us a good start, 100%.
Yeah, Jihan, even I would like to say Jazakallah khairan for your efforts and dedication. Alhamdulillah, it was really nice with you. So it's like a gesture, Alhamdulillah. You've been very punctual and like everything was up to the mark, Alhamdulillah.
Now, if you are ready to take this step, all what you have to do is press on the link under this video for more details.